Ekeoma, what do you think about that name? Would you like a name like that for yourself? Or are you expecting a child or something and you are maybe having a naming ceremony and you would like to give them a traditional African name? Let me know in the comment section down below, or my Instagram is also linked in the comment section. You can click on that link and then DM me if there is a name or a concept or an idea for a name that you would have in mind for yourself or for someone else, like a child, right? Just let me know what idea or concept that is, and I can give you the closest Igbo name to the meaning of that idea that you have, right? In my culture, we believe that every time you speak someone's name, every time you call their name, right, you're speaking and invoking the power of that name into existence. So if there's anything you would like to manifest into your own life or into your child's life, or anything you want